Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your Behance project branding with cover images, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Behance account. Navigate to your project dashboard. Select the project you want to edit. Click on the Edit Project button. Scroll down to the Cover Image section. Here, you'll see the option to upload an image. Choose an image that represents your branding effectively. Make sure your cover image is high quality and visually appealing. Click on the Upload button to add your chosen image. Adjust the image to fit the designated area if needed. Once satisfied with how it looks, save your changes. Next, check the overall layout of your project. Make sure the cover image complements your project visuals. Preview your project to see how the cover image appears. If everything looks good, you're ready to publish it. Finally, take a moment to review your project details. That's it. You've successfully authenticated your Behance project branding with a cover image. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.